Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do this DIY 3D clock that I bought for my dining room because I'm remodeling the dining room. So it's called VreaONE and it's a DIY family clock if you want to buy it. But I just wanted to touch some bases with you because when I try to put the one in the middle to hold the part in the middle, first I did the diamond shape because I caught it on my machine because I wanted it to be a diamond shape. And the way I did it is I used the moldings of the mirrors that they sell in Walmart, General Dollar, Family Dollar. That's what I got, the molding. So I took the molding out of the mirror and I put it in the wall after I cut it. And I measure it. I measure it side to side that it would be even from the side. So what I wanted to show you is that what I really had a problem, it was to put the thing in the middle. It came with a little, really small thing to nail it in the wall that you couldn't really hold it in your fingers. And it's supposed to go inside of the hole or the metal part that is in the back. But I couldn't, I tried and it kept on falling, so you had to use some screw to able to put it. So that's the only content that I had a problem. But with this, it comes with a brochure, and then the numbers, they come in here. So you have to remove the numbers really careful because they could break easy. And then then they also come with the glass paper that it comes on top. So you're gonna glue it to the rubber because they come like this, and then you're gonna put the plastic glass on top of that. Not where the paper is, because this is, you're gonna remove the paper to stick it in the wall. You're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. So right now, I'm just following the box to follow the numbers. So right now, I'm doing number 8, and then now I'm going to do number 9, that it will be the one in the middle, 1X. So you have to put the numbers the same way they go in the box because I got mine Roman numbers. So what you do is, it comes with this paper that you're going to follow where the numbers go. And you don't, when you have the measurement, then when you have the measurement is when you're going to put the number. So like mine is supposed to go right there in the middle. So this, what it has is the paper in the back, and you gotta remove it, and careful because they're very fragile, especially the one on top that is the glass. They could break easy. So all you gotta do is remove the back and then follow the way they have the numbers, and that's the way you're gonna put it on the wall. So since I'm doing the middle, I'm gonna follow, and then I'm gonna put it, make sure I'm putting it right. So I'm gonna put it right here, because that's the middle. See? So you got the perfect line. So don't stick it in the wall until you're sure that the number is correct, because once you stick it into the wall, it's very hard to remove. So let me move the camera a little closer so you guys could see. So now I'm gonna do, I put the 1X, now I'm gonna do the X. So it's gonna be the same thing. You gotta remove the paper from the back. And don't stick it to the wall until you know already where it's gonna go, because once you stick it to the wall, the adhesive is very hard to remove it, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make sure I have it the right way. So I did the middle, so I'm gonna turn it to the next line, and it's telling me that it's right there. So that's where I'm gonna put the X. Right there. It means for me it's easier because since I got the diamond shape already, it's easier to put it. So now I'm gonna do the last number, that it will be the 11. So it's gonna go this way. So you gotta make sure you put the numbers right, the way they go. Because once you put it on the wall, it's gonna be really hard to remove them. But look how beautiful it looks. And I still gotta take the plastic that is on top. So it's gonna go, this one is gonna go this way. See, if you put it this way, it's wrong. So you have to put it this way. So since this is the last one, the same thing. I'm gonna remove the paper from the back. I'm not gonna stick it in the wall. Make sure I have it right. So I don't want to make a mistake. So it's gonna go this way. So I'm gonna do is, again, I'm gonna hold the handle where it's supposed to go. So see, it's a straight. It will give you a straight line. So now I'm gonna put wait, hold on. I just want to make sure that I'm doing it right. So it's supposed to go this way. You just gotta be patient with this, because you don't want to make a mistake. So it's gonna go right there. Okay. So now, since I have all the numbers, I'm gonna remove the paper. See, you lift it up. Look how beautiful it looks. Let me put it closer so you could see it. So I'm going to remove all the stickies. So you could see the letters that shines. Look at how beautiful it looks. I put it the diamond shape because that's what I wanted, but you guys could put it the way you guys want it. But I think the diamond shape, it looks so beautiful, and since I have very high ceiling, so it looks nice. And with my my new dining room, it's gonna look beautiful. So see, all you gotta do is keep moving, keep removing the plastic. Look how beautiful it looks. It's very easy to remove once you get the spot to pull it out. Look how shiny and beautiful it looks. See, that one I did. So I still gotta put, once I remove this, then I will put the handle. The hardest part for me, I thought it was putting the metal part in the middle, and because I did the diamond shape, it was a big project to remove it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the handle, the paper that I used to put the clock. Oh, I'm gonna put this here because I still need to put the word time. So see guys, this is what I meant, that the glass also, the paper, shiny part also comes because apart, so you have to put everything together. So what you do is you remove, be careful that you don't break the letters. You take the paper out, you remove the paper, and then you put the letter. See how nice it looks? So it comes with the tape in the back, and then to this you have to take the other plastic so it will be shiny. So I left 2 letters to show you. See, they come like this. So what you do is you remove the white paper to the glass letter, and then you put it in the black. Try to make it as even as you can, because this is what it makes it the 3D, because see, it's thick. Look how nice. So now I'm going to put the word on top. So I think I'm going to put it here. Let me see if I have the space. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. So I'm gonna remove the white paper, I remove the white paper to the eye. Then I'm going to remove the paper to the M. And I'm going to put the E. The M. So again, I'm going to remove the paper to the E. And I'm going to put, so look how pretty, it says time. So now I'm going to remove the protector for the glass. From the eye. I hope you guys enjoy this, because you know what, this was not really expensive. I think that I ordered from Amazon, and I think I only paid like about $30. Okay guys, so now I have the hands here. Then I'm going to put it all this is very fragile, so you gotta handle it with care. So first I'm going to put the small hand. See, it has a hole there. And this is where you're going to put it. And then I'm going to put the long one. But see guys, I already have a problem with the big one. The hole is a little smaller, so I will have to make it bigger. So I'm gonna see if I could open it a little bit more with the knife. And let's try again. Maybe open it a little more. Let's see how this is gonna work. Okay. I'm just going to try to screw it. Well, I don't think think I have to open it a little bit more because it's too tight. So I have to open it a little bit more because it has to go. I'm sorry about that, guys, but I'm just trying. This is, when you buy stuff like this, you don't know. I don't know why the small one. I don't know if it's that I'm missing a part. Oh, I think it's that you had to push it in. I think I got it. Yeah, guys, I got it. Yay! Now let me put it on time. So it says it's 220. Yay, it's working. So happy. I got it, guys. I was just, I had the small handle. You just gotta push it in and turn it. So then you could put the other one on top. Isn't that look beautiful? Well, I'm sorry that it was a little long, but I just telling you this is not something, an easy project. You gotta put all these things together first before you put the clock, but I think it looks amazing. And look how the needle, you could see the needle turning. I don't know if you guys could see it from there, but look, that needle is turning. So isn't that beautiful? So guys, I hope that you guys enjoy it. I know you didn't see it from the beginning, but it was because I had a really hard time putting the part inside. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you could see when I put the whole dining room together. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Besitos, besitos.